Okay, so the next question is, where does this belief come from? Again, this is going to take some thinking. A moment might just flash into your mind. And if it does, trust it. Believe me, because I've done this so many times. You might think there's nothing there within that moment. You might need to look for it. If a moment flashes into your mind, your subconscious has thrown it up to you. So it's worth investigating. Okay, so where does this belief come from? So again, people always let you down, let me down, let's say my belief. Where did that come from? Well, it kind of started because my parents got divorced at a very young age. Also, my older brother and sister were just starting their adult lives at that time, so they both moved out of the house. No one's fault, right? No one's fault. But this is where we form beliefs, and this is where these beliefs come from. And then, so just think that through. Be fearless, be thorough, and you will start journaling through that emotion and making sense of what's actually happening here. And you will start to see, you will start to dilute this belief because you see that it's got no relevance to now. It like was something that happened years ago, but yet it's still playing out in the present. And in my opinion, that's not right. So, where does this belief come from?